How to add transparency but keep the shadows in EEVEE. To add transparency in any scene, you just need to tick it from the Film tab in the settings. But keeping the shadows is the tricky one. What we need to do is add a material to the floor plane, where we're going to mix a diffuse node with a transparent one. In the mix factor, we need another diffuse node, so just Shift-D to make a copy. Then we will add a shader 2 RGB node and a color map. This way we can control the fading on the plane. Once you plug the nodes to the factor, change the first diffuse color to black. Then switch the render method to blended, and it should start showing some transparency. From here on, you just need to control the sliders on the ramp to make it fully transparent, while the second diffuse color can enhance the shadows if you darken it. In short terms, just play with the colors until you get what you want. And that's it. Have fun doing it. Do like and sub for more sweet short videos, and see you next time. Stay sharp. Goodbye.